Hello everyone. This video will show you how to add people to a Google Calendar event so you can share details with them. First thing to do is that you have to access your Google Calendar. A couple ways to do it. One way is to go to your app waffle over here, and as you click the squares, you will see that your calendar icon is here like so. So as you click it, your calendar will pop up. Another way to access calendar is to type in Google Calendar. And you click that link over here. And your calendar pops up. Now to add someone, to invite someone to an event that you have already been invited to, what you would do is you would take this information here, you take your event, click it, and click the edit pencil. After clicking the edit pencil, we go to your add guests field. So then I'm going to select Brian to invite to this event. So as I click here, Brian Flanagan shows up. Once you hit save, Brian now will become invited to the event. Would you like to send invitations to new guests? And I will say yes, send. And that's how you do it.